The benefits of washing clothes in cold water.
Welcome to our video on the benefits of washing clothes in cold water. In this video, we'll discuss why you should consider using cold water for your laundry and how it can benefit you and your clothes.
Can cold water clean clothes effectively?
Absolutely. Washing your clothes in cold water can be just as effective as using hot water. Modern detergents are designed to work well in cold water, and most stains can be removed without the need for hot water.
How does cold water save energy?
Using cold water for laundry is an excellent way to reduce your energy consumption. Approximately 90% of the energy used by washing machines goes towards heating water. By switching to cold water, you'll significantly decrease your energy usage and reduce your carbon footprint.
Can cold water extend the life of your clothes?
Yes, it can. Washing clothes in cold water is gentler on fabrics, which can help prevent fading, shrinking, and stretching. This means that your clothes will look better and last longer, saving you money in the long run.
Does cold water help reduce color bleeding?
Indeed, it does. Cold water is less likely to cause colors to bleed compared to hot water. This is particularly important when washing items with bright or dark colors. By using cold water, you can protect the vibrancy of your clothes and prevent unwanted color transfer.
Is cold water washing better for sensitive skin?
Many people with sensitive skin find that washing their clothes in cold water is more gentle and less irritating. Hot water can strip away natural oils and irritate the skin, whereas cold water helps to preserve the integrity of the fabric and reduce the likelihood of skin irritation. So, there you have it. Washing your clothes in cold water offers many benefits, including energy savings, increased fabric longevity, reduced color bleeding, and a more gentle experience for those with sensitive skin. Next time you do laundry, consider making the switch to cold water and enjoy these advantages for yourself.